We will start with Claude inside my Chrome browser. All right. So I have mentioned everything here, nothing to worry. Like we do all the time, you will be able to see all the steps. It's very simple. We are opening Chrome. We will add the Claude extension. All right. I'll just open Chrome here. You see my Chrome browser here. All right. Let's say, for example, I'll go in my extensions and let's say I will on search on Google search, I can write Claude Chrome extension. You will see something like this. Chrome Web Store, Claude Chrome Web Store. Okay, you will be able to add it to your Chrome like this. Okay, the moment you do this, you will have Claude in your extensions. So I will just click on Claude. You will see that on the right side, I have a small window open. All right, this is where I will talk to Claude. This is where my websites will live. All right, you see this Claude on top. You will see a orange outline that has been generated. All right, that orange outline means Claude will be able to do your work inside this browser. All right, so I'll just quickly show you what we'll do. We will go to naukri.com. Okay, we will go to naukri.com. Do you all see that there is an orange outline outside naukri.com tab? Give me a thumbs up or a yes if you see this orange outline. This orange outline says this particular tab is the tab on which Claude has access. All right. Now, this is naukri.com. Let's say, for example, I am a person who wants to understand which are the skills which are relevant in the market today. All right. And which are the skills I should upgrade on so that I am able to understand, if this is relevant and I'll be able to, get a better opportunity. What I do is I go and simply write a prompt, something like search for marketing manager roles in Bangalore and tell me what skills are most in demand, what is the salary range, and which of the companies are hiring the most. So this is a very simple prompt. I will just go. If you see, I have written the same prompt here. Search for marketing manager roles in Bangalore. Tell me what are the skills that are most in demand, what is the salary range, and which are the companies that are hiring the most. Okay, I will just click on send here and you will see that Claude will create a plan for me. This is the plan Claude has created. This is like the plan we create. It says the approach I will follow is search for marketing manager roles in Bangalore on naukri.com. Review the listings to identify the in-demand skills. All right. Analyze the salary ranges. Identify the top companies and I'll summarize the finding. You can approve the plan or you can make some changes. If you want something very particular, you can make those changes. But do you see Claude has been able to understand on its own how it will be able to use naukri.com? Do you think it is something, which we generally, what we do? We go on a website, we try to identify, okay, I can write my skills here. I can type my city here. I can put a filter. I can do something. Claude has been able to identify that on his own. And it is giving me an approach. I will say, I will approve the plan. And automatically you will see that Claude has, changed the Naukri screen. It has automatically, filtered me marketing manager roles for Bangalore. You see this Bangalore, you see Bangalore, you see marketing manager. Claude is doing everything on its own. All right. If you see here, it says that Naukri has total of 4,546 listings for marketing managers. Okay. It says that the most in-demand skills are these. It says that these are the salary ranges. We have not gone through all these 4,546 listings. We have just asked Claude. It has gone through all of them. Okay. It is telling me these are the on-demand skills. These are the salary ranges. The top companies are EY that has a set of 69 jobs listed. Connect Q has 57. Accenture has 23. Traxon has 14. You tell me how much time will this take for a human being to do? Right? Claude did it for me in less than a minute. All I had to write is go on Naukri and search all this. Put in a number in chat. How much time do you think a human would take to go through 4,500 listings and to be able to tell me that EY has 69 jobs, Connect Q has 57, Accenture has 23, Traxon has 14. These are the salary ranges. These are the most in-demand skills. Claude was able to do this entirely in less than a minute. All right. So this is something which is very powerful, where Claude will be able to go through the website and immediately, get you answers which would take us hours to do. All right. So let's say that, I am somebody who is in BFSI domain. Okay. I am in BFSI domain, so probably not everything is relevant for me. So I can put in a follow-up prompt which says, can you put in a filter of only BFSI department? Okay, I will just say enter again. Now, from these listings, it will add an additional filter. It is asking me, see this, locate the department filter section on current Naukri page. So it is saying my approach would be, I would locate the BFSI filter. Then I will click on that filter. Then I will wait for the filtered results to load. And once it is loaded, I will review the filtered listings and give you the answer. I say, okay, I am good with this plan. Once I approve the plan, all right, you will see that it will give me only BFSI related output. So if I am a person who is in that domain, all right, it is doing this. You will see on your screen on the left, the filter will be applied. Everything would be done, and right in front of you, you will see the output. So it is doing this. It is reapplying filter settings. Okay, it has done the click. You see on the left, how many of you see on the left that there is a tick already on BFSI? All right, give me a tick. Give me a word like click or a tick. If you see this, perfect, right? You see it has given me an output now that in BFSI, these are the in-demand skills. These are the salary ranges. All right. How much time would it take for us to do something like this on Naukri or any other website for that matter? The top companies hiring are Goldman Sachs, HDFC Securities, Accenture, EY, and they are the largest recruiters. All right. So I hope you understand the power of what Claude can do inside your Chrome. All right. So this is something which I wanted to showcase, and it is very important that you know that something like this exists, so that tomorrow, if there is a requirement in your company, all right, which says that, we need to do some very heavy research on maybe 5-6 different companies or 5-6 different websites, and accordingly come up with a plan. Instead of you spending a lot of time or your team members spending a lot of time, you should know that there is a tool like this. All right. Once you know that, you will be able to use this tool and shorten the time and take only judgment related work on your side. And all the scraping, understanding what the website is saying can be done automatically. Is that helpful, you guys? Do you think this is helpful? Type in a word helpful if you feel this is helpful. Type in a word helpful in chat if you feel something like this is helpful to you guys. All right. I see few of them have started writing. Very nice. Great. All right. I'll just quickly show you another thing. So what I'll do this time, I'll close this. I'll probably, write HDFC Bank now. I'll again open Claude. Okay. So on this time, what I'm going to do, I am going to say, what are the key USPs of HDFC Bank? Let's say I am doing a customer competition review or a competition review. All right. So what I will do, let's say I am planning to launch a product in digital banking. So I go on HDFC website. I put start my Claude. You see the outline, orange outline is there. Okay. I see what are the key USPs of HDFC Bank. Okay. Based on what they have mentioned on their website, I will just quickly add a small line in digital banking. Because I am opening a digital banking product, I am starting a digital banking product. I want to understand, what are the USPs of HDFC. All right. So this says, I will just remove this. You will see that it will start giving me a plan that this is what I intend to do. Once I say yes, it will actually browse through entire HDFC website. It says that I will navigate to HDFC Bank website. I will extract the content that is describing digital banking features and the unique selling points. It will explore the digital banking pages if needed, and then summarize the key USPs for me for the digital banking offering. I say approve this plan. And now it will browse through all the pages which HDFC has on its website related to digital banking only, and create a list of all the USPs that HDFC says it has. All right. Similarly, I can go on another bank website, do the same, another bank website, do the same. Basis that collated result, I can create my own set of USPs. Like this is doing competition research, at your fingertips, probably in minutes. Okay. Otherwise, we would, if on the left, you will see The pages are being opened on the left. HDFC pages are being opened. Okay, it is going through all the images, it is going through PDFs, it is going through text, it is creating all these outputs and then eventually giving me on screen that this is what HDFC says are their USPs. Same can be done for other competitor, other competitor, other competitor, and eventually you can come up with a set of USPs which will be relevant and very specific to your business and your product. Does this make sense? Do you think something like this would be something which you can add to your workplace and do something very important basis this? Okay, I'll just open. You see this? It has done 20 steps. A human would have taken probably an entire day to do all these 20 steps that Claude did in few minutes. All right. And out based on these 20 steps, it is telling me HDFC says breadth and convenience of services is one USP. A redesigned modern application experience is another USP. Layered always on security, Kavach protected is another USP. Personalized banking journeys is another. Comprehensive card controls is another. Refresh net banking is another. Chat banking on WhatsApp. Pays app, it has a digital plus physical backbone. SME digital, these are the USPs that HDFC mentions on its website, are the key USPs that they have in terms of digital banking. All right. So it stated that USP cluster 4 themes. It is also telling you that it has stated that the digital banking USPs are based on 4 themes: a wide product catalog, a modern personalized user experience, multi-layer security, and an omni-rich experience. All right. If let's say, for example, we go back and ask our team members to please do this for me, take the same example, HDFC, create a competitor research analysis around digital banking and tell me what are the key offerings of HDFC. Can you tell me how much time would a team member go and take to create an output like this? Probably this is an output which has probably scanned almost the entire HDFC website wherever digital banking is written. Can you just tell me in terms of minutes or hours how many minutes or hours a team member would take if we ask them to do an exactly similar thing? Probably if you can write it in chat, it will help us understand what is the difference between what Claude is able to do inside my Chrome browser versus what a team member would do if we ask the team member to do exactly the same thing. Can you put in chat if possible? If you think it would be certain time X, maybe some minutes, some hours, days. So Shreya says days, very nice. A day or two. I see Srinivas says day or two. 1 day by a team member, very nice. All right. And you see it came to us on our screens probably in minutes. Days. I see Bob also saying days, very nice. Okay. So I hope everybody who feels it would take probably a day or more now understands what is the power of having something like Claude inside your Google Chrome browser. All right. So again, I have pasted everything here. Need not worry. You will be able to refer this presentation again. All the things are mentioned here. If you give a wider prompt and don't mention digital marketing or digital banking, it will ask you if there is any particular, domain you want to look at. All right. It will give you that answer. Okay. I had tried one more thing, which probably, you can touch on your own. I have asked, to go on Indian Express. Okay. On Indian Express, which is a news website, I have asked Claude to go in the business section and tell me which news might have impact on e-commerce sector. All right. So it tells me that there is a rupee movement and that would be, and a currency volatility. Okay. It tells me that RBI holds a repo rate growth forecast is to be around 6.9. India company's profit may taper off by 15%. Oracle lays off 12,000 employees. So as an owner of an e-commerce business, these are probably the things which would impact me. The next prompt that I gave was to tell me, as a founder of e-commerce company, should I be worried? All right. So this is the output I got. Honestly, it's a mixed bag. Reasons for measured concerns. It gave me the reasons. All right. Then it gave me reasons to stay optimistic in that domain, which is e-commerce. And then it also tells me what Claude will do if Claude was in my shoes. All right. So it says, should you be aware and prepared? Definitely. Should you be worried? No. Because the founders who will do this well will come out stronger on the other side. All right. So I went on a news website, tried to ask Claude, can you go through all the news articles and which are of today, and tell me, you know, as a person in e-commerce domain, which are the news articles which are relevant to me. And it was able to create this entire output for me. All right. You can do it whenever, you get Claude subscriptions. You will be able to do these things on your own. All right. We will come back to this. If you have any other request at the end of the session, probably what we will do, we will take this example or probably another example which you want. Remember, there would be some website which restrict Claude and do not allow Claude to do certain things, but most of them will allow it to read and do whatever Claude wants to do in terms of reading data.